Hey guys, welcome back. It's the festive season and Diwali is just round the corner. This year there won't be much of visiting or traveling, but still at least we can dress up. We love dressing up, right? Why miss the opportunity? So I went out and got myself some outfits for Diwali. And I thought of sharing with you guys how I styled them. So let's quickly jump into the video. I bought this lovely blue kurti from a shopping center called Pooja in Attingal. Actually, I'm not a big fan of online shopping. I normally like to go out there and shop, look at my clothes, what I'm buying, and touch it, feel it, try it on, and then I like to buy my clothes. I don't like to buy online so much. So most of my clothes will be from the nearby shops from in and around Trivandrum actually. This kurti also I bought it as a casual wear so that I can just wear it with a sneaker or something. But on second thoughts, I wanted to give a festive look to this kurti. So I added a gold palazzo that I had with me and I tried to pair it with this kurti and it looked amazing. It suddenly changed into this whole festive outfit, and then I teamed it with a golden dupatta, netted dupatta that I had, and the whole look changed. It looks so beautiful and so festive. And to accessorize it, I wore this gold oxidized jewelry with it. I bought this beautiful kurta and palazzo set also from the same shop. It's a simple outfit with just small beads stitched to the upper portion and the border of the kurta. I like this outfit specially because of its color. The lovely bright green color and its combination with purple is also so unique. I wore simple dangling earrings of the same color with it. Though simple, this outfit has a rich feel to it. It can be worn for any small functions at home, like puja functions or small family get-togethers. It will look lovely and decent. This bright red kurta that I bought from Reliance Trends is my favorite out of all. I love the up-down pattern that it has. It looks so trendy and stylish. And I knew I wanted to get this outfit the instant I saw it. It has this small gold detailing all over the body and has a gold border also. The gold border has a dark blue color thread work going along with it. So I teamed the kurta with a dark blue palazzo that I had, and it went perfectly well with it. You can also style it with ankle length legging or even pants, but I like the way I styled with the palazzo. It looked very nice. To accessorize it, I added a set of gold earrings with red stones and a simple necklace and a bracelet. This one is for ladies who doesn't want to wear a kurta this time and would like to go for something more modern or more stylish. This bright yellow maxi dress I bought from Lifestyle at Travancore Mall is just what you need. This dress has a festive vibe to it, with the gold detailing on the upper part of the dress, and it has a rope belt with tassels also. You can see that it's pleated from the waist and it gives a beautiful structure to the whole outfit. I just love how the whole outfit turned out. I thought I should accessorize it with diamonds as it would go very well with this dress. So that's it guys. I really hope that you liked how I styled all my outfits. If you really liked it, then please do like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be bringing more such videos to you. And if you like, you can go and visit my Instagram page. I'll give the link in the description box below. So see you all in my next video.